So nag-traffic count, no? And out of that study, ang recommendation is underpass. So again, pila ka resolution, 2015, 2016, may series of, and in fact, bago ko naglingkod bilang congresswoman or representative sa 1st District of South Cotabato, and that includes General Santos City, bago ko nag-assume sa office, adunay na ang nauna sa ako, nanay pundo. Underpass, 150 million, and pagkasunod tuig, overpass another 150 million. Pero it was not implemented because ang regional office and DPWH was not able to implement the project. So nabalik ang kwarta sa coffers of the national government. Now, paglingkod na ko 2019, late 2019. Again, dito sa 2019 and 2020 na budget, kabalumanta na ang budget process, ginabuhat na a year before. So I wasn't involved dito sa budget process. Ang pagkabalo ko that time, of course, ang ato na lain pa ang congressman, no, during the time of Congressman Jun Acharon, and ang senator, chairperson sa infra, si Senator Manny Pacquiao. Napabutangan na og budget, no? Then wala lang na implement, nabalik sa coffers of the national government. Now paglingkod nako, ang City Council nagpadala og resolution, again addressed to me. During the time of Vice Mayor Tonton Acharon. And then ang author sa resolution, si Councilor Casabuena, co-author si Councilor Pacquiao, now Mayor Lorely Pacquiao. So even si Mayor Ronel nag-follow up po sa ako, and even ang RDC, no, Regional Development Council, of course assisted na by NEDA. So meaning kanang project dili na nako, no, gibuot-buutan. It's a long, tedious process and collective effort na siya sa tanan. Ay wala lang gyud ko kabalungan, no, ako'y gina-single out ana. No, I don't know kung adunay political maneuvering behind. Kay murag, it seems to me na murag ako ang gina-single out. When in fact, dili ako ang original proponent. It just so happened na ako naglingkod in the 18th Congress and a resolution was passed, no, requesting me to facilitate the allocation of funds. So ako na siyang gitrabaho.
Tama.
So during my time, napabutangan og budget amounting to 650 million. Okay. Ang 650 million divided into 4 phases. And again, dito ta balik sa di ay ta, ngano underpass, overpass, dili pud na ako ang nagbuot.
Yes, oo.
Dili pud na ako. It is a product of the study. Wala nato nagibuot-buotan na para magkakwarta. And definitely, no, in fact, ang original budget ana is 1.2 billion ang proposal sa city government through the resolution na records will speak for itself. Adunay kompleto dokumento ana. So 1.2 billion, but upon the review of DPWH, ang recommended 650 million. So syempre dili man po ta magbuot ana, no, na may mga eksperto ana and people na responsible for that, no, may mga engineers ta ana, no, may naay different section na ang DPWH, no, central office, no, na nagdetermine ana na amo na nga amount. So mao nang atong gitrabaho, no, we're able to secure funding through the GAA. We advocated for it, na-approve siya in 4 phases. So naka-secure og MCA kanang multi-year authority, no, sa release sa funding para bisag whoever sits padayon na may ara pondo na siya. Now, na-approve ang budget, a total of 650. Ang initial first phase is 256, second is 220 and 86, a total of 650 million, no, approximate na. Now, ang nahitabo, wala na siya na-implement dayon, no? Because pandemic. Diba? During pandemic, ang most of the funds nato nagamit gina siya sa mga pandemic needs and concerns nato. So that's why ang notice to proceed napasa na siya, na-release na siya July 4, 2022. That was 4 days, no, after the end of my term. So during the entire process of the implementation, I am no longer around. I am no longer around. So, syempre, out of respect sa mga nakalingkod, wala ko nang hilabot ana. Diba? We let them do their job, no? Ato na siyang girespeto. Unfortunately, nakita nato na murag daghan na dili maay na panghitabo kay nakita nato, no, walay movement, daghan na ta mga apprehensions, no, nag-cause nag-traffic and all that. So that's why that time during the campaign, ang akong commitment na pag makabalik, tutuko na to para mabalaan na to unsa gyud ang nahitabuan.